Need a simple way to publish a website? TinyHost and Cloudflare pages are both great options, but they are built for different users. In this video, I'll compare pricing, ease of use, features, and performance to help you choose the right platform. Introduction. TinyHost focuses on making website publishing as easy as possible. Cloudflare Pages, on the other hand, is designed for developers who want fast, scalable static website hosting, GIT, or Get integration. Let's break down the differences. Ease of use. TinyHost wins when it comes to simplicity. You can upload an HTML folder, PDF, or ZIP file, and your website is live in seconds. No coding, no setup, and no command line required. Cloudflare Pages requires a bit more technical knowledge. It is designed to connect with GitHub or GitLab repositories and automatically deploy your website whenever you push updates. If you are a beginner, TinyHost is much easier. Features. TinyHost includes one-click publishing, password protection, custom domains, basic analytics, easy file sharing. Cloudflare Pages offers automatic deployments from GIT or from Get, global CDN, SSL by default, serverless functions, preview deployments, integration with the Cloudflare ecosystem. For developers building modern web apps, Cloudflare Pages offers significantly more advanced features. Performance and pricing. Cloudflare Pages uses Cloudflare's massive global network, delivering excellent speed and reliability worldwide. It's ideal for production websites and high traffic projects. TinyHost is also fast for simple websites, portfolios, landing pages, and client demos, but it isn't built for large scale web applications. Pricing is another key difference. TinyHost offers free and paid plans with extra features like custom branding and higher limits. Cloudflare Pages has a generous free tier, making it one of the best free hosting options for developers. Final verdict. Choose TinyHost if you want the fastest and easiest way to publish static websites without any technical setup. Choose Cloudflare Pages if you are a developer or you are building a modern website that needs GIT or Get integration, global performance, and advanced deployment features. In short, TinyHost is best for simplicity, while Cloudflare Pages is the better choice for scalability and the professional development. If this comparison helped you decide, do not forget to like the video and subscribe for more software reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching and goodbye.